Hey guys, Glimmer, how are you? Affiliate Profit Pages fans, hope you're doing well. This is MoolaMeme's demo review discount coupon, OTOs, and best bonuses. So what is this Moola Money thing? MoolaMeme, Moola Meme. It's a tongue twister, I'm telling you. Basically, this is a really cool product. This is actually, let's go through the sales page here, and just so you guys can see. Let me get out of the way there. It literally is. I'm going to show you guys a demo and stuff like that, and we'll get into the bonuses. And make sure you hit subscribe. But first off, it makes commissions on True Autopilot. Like, this is True Autopilot. You actually make the meme. You don't have to send traffic to it or anything. You just actually create the meme, and that's it. I'll show you in the demo. It's really cool. There's zero traffic and clicks ever needed. There's zero selling. Nothing like you've ever seen. It's a ton of fun. It's based on a $600 million model. It's actually based on Medium's model. And if you know what Medium is, it's a blog. It's a place where people write blogs. They get paid tons of money for writing these blogs. Well, this is the same thing, except all you're doing is creating memes. You can auto commission already in 60 seconds flat. So easy. His kids can do it. There's Brian's kids, the creator. It's unlimited cash potential, and it works great even for internet dummies, and it supplements an autopilot lifestyle. So it's let me show you what the yeah, guys, this is a very cool app. I'm very impressed with it. Let me show you the demo here, and you can kind of see how the back end looks, and you can see exactly how the basically the memes are made. This is going to take about 60 seconds to look at. And then I'm going to talk about, I'll you want to pick this up. I think it's $14 right now. You just want to grab the front end, guys, because this is literally a $14 thing. You go and make one meme a day, do it for 30 days, and you will start generating income with this. And anyways, let me show you the demo. This is so easy. Anybody can do this. Okay, ready? So watch. So literally, guys, that's it. I think I cut off the beginning there. The beginning is just like you basically upload any photo you have. If you find royalty-free photos, go to Pixabay. You can use all this stuff. And what it does is it just it's creating a library of memes. And how it works is that each time someone clicks on a meme, you're going to get paid a commission. Now, what happens when they click on a meme, they will be taken to a presentation where if they decide to purchase in that presentation, you make more commissions. Now, there are some OTOs in this. I will go through it. Where is the OTO page here? So the OTO, let me find the OTOs here. There they are. Okay, so the first one is going to be meme commission takeover. So this is basically it's a $37 upfront. You go off, you're going to get it for $17. This will actually get you to receive commissions off other users in the system. And guys, this is already sold, I think 2,500 or 3,000 copies. This is selling like a ton of copies. Number two, Autopilot. Takers of this OTO get their memes auto-replicated to our featured memes, so you get your stuff like bumped up, and that's a $47 with a $27 downsell. The Cash Bump Robot. This is Autopilot commissions funded by, you'll receive more commissions by it being a Cash Bump Robot. I'm not sure exactly how that works, so you can check it out. Also, Brian's offered like a 10 times your money back guarantee on this, so it's crazy. Like if you're not making money, he's going to give you 10 times your money back. So this is crazy. This is the Meme Mogul one. This is the one I'm going to pick up. You're unable to unlock and submit profitable AD based memes. So you're able to promote your own products. So instead of it clicking through to Brian's webinar series or whatever it is that he's going to promote that you're going to get paid on, you're able to put your own product links in there. And then the no, sorry, that one is means that promote products. So that will give you another platform for promoting products. And this is the one. This is the $500 a day machine. You get to replace the back end webinar link with your own affiliate link. So you can go find a high ticket program that you have going on, and you're able to put that high ticket program behind the meme. OTO number 6 is $97, $197 or a $97 downsell. And basically you get to double the normal commissions each time someone likes it. So instead of $1 or $2 per click on a meme, you're going to be making double that. And basically, and then there's this is from the JV page. So guys, I'm still putting it together, the bonus page. So what I'll do is I'll just put the link to pick this up, because you definitely want to pick up the front end. I'll load up the bonus page for you. You'll love it. I'll get you a ton of great stuff in there. But you definitely want to be grabbing this. Oh shoot, guys, I wasn't on the. Let me go back to the OTOs for you. There we go. I wasn't even showing you them. Here they are here, guys. So OTO1 is meme commission takeover. OTO2 is autopilot meme machine. I already talked to you about that. OTO is a cash bump robot. Number 4 is the 100K meme mogul. Number 5 is the $500 day machine. Definitely want to pick up that one if you can. $47 downsell. And if you want to, is double your income on that one. And those are the OTOs. So the 6 of them. Pick up what you want, but my bonuses will be available for the front end. And the guys, you'll definitely want to be grabbing this. It's like I said, it's selling. I think it's a product of the day right now on Warrior Plus, and it's a great one. Brian makes great products. There's actually a video that you should watch, and it's the very first video on the sales page. Watch that, because he really talks about a lot of the garbage that is put out. There's a lot of, I actually bought something and I actually refunded it, because I was just like, I can't use this, and it was supposed to be a wonderful deal, and I kind of looked at it and went, this isn't a very good product. And I tried my best to use it, and I ended up actually just getting a refund on it, because I was not happy with the product. So I'm really careful on what I'm promoting now. Make sure that you definitely subscribe. Go grab this. Like I said, I think it's about $14 with a. If you scroll off the page and come back on it, like it's like $17 or $18 right now, and it'll drop it down by a few dollars. And you can pick this up and try it out, test drive it, try it out, see what you think. Just make a bunch of memes for like, and get paid. You don't have to. You're not buying ads, you're not making videos, you're not driving traffic, you're not posting on social media, you're just creating a meme, which you saw took 60 seconds to create. Are they all going to be like huge hits? No. You will have some bombs, and other ones you'll accidentally make like something that just goes viral, and that's how memes happen. Someone makes a silly meme, it's not very well designed, and all of a sudden it just goes viral, and people are like, wow, this is so funny, and people click, and you will get paid commissions. All right, guys, this has been MoolaMeme's review, demo, walkthrough, OTOs, and my bonuses, of course. So make sure you grab it below, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.